This is the start button right here. We're with the Brigo. It is a camcorder, 5K, 20 frames per second, 4K, 60 frames per second, all the way down to 1080p, 30 frames per second, with 16 times digital zoom, with the included 64 gig SD card. We're going to show you what you get in the box. We're going to show you the setup. This is an indoor shot, and we'll get you some outdoor shots and different scenario setups. Everything that's in the Brigo digital video camcorder, 16 times digital zoom, 64 gig image, 32 gig SD card. We have the camcorder. It's in black polish with the handle grip in blue, silver, black, and the battery on the camera that simply comes out. Spare battery, remote control, USB-C cable for charging, and HDMI cable for large TV viewing. We're going to set up the camera and show you what else you have with the product. A hand grip, a tripod, a bulkhead, a lens hood, and a battery-operated microphone with a DVC carrying case. We have a quick guide and a user manual to go over. Assembly of the camera. 2/4 20 threads. The handle opens up. The battery placed into the back of the camera by pressing in and lifting up, snapping, and placing onto the 1/4 20 tripod in the back. When changing out the battery, loosen, rotate, and take out by pressing the button on the back and removing. Placing in, locking in, and locking down. We have a lens cap that needs to be removed in order to place on the lens hood. It rotates onto the lens and locks into place. It has an additional socket in the back to secure down tighter. We also have a lens hood square that screws on to the actual round as an additional hood. Setting up a tripod for optional stationary use is simply placing on the bulkhead and the tripod. We could use the tripod as a separate microphone hookup or take off the cold shoe adapter by pushing out, placing in a AAA battery located on the side, place onto the cold shoe and lock into place, and hook up the 3.5 microphone when opening up to the center. When opening up the camera, it will come on and the microphone hooks up to the 3.5 millimeter adapter. We are ready to go shooting. Setting up the camera is the menu button. Quickly going over the settings in Camcorder, simply hit the gear button over here. We have video resolutions to shoot at. Back out. Digital image stabilization on. White balance exposure setting, metering mode, sharpness, video, and more. In the settings, we have Wi-Fi, light source, timing, and more. Switching over to the camera side, mode button, normal picture, settings. We have the pixel count of 20 all the way down to 5 and all the way up to 64. White balance, exposure, metering, sharpness, sensitivity, and more. On the camera's front screen, we have a light. Simply hit the power light and the light will come on when hit. We also have a light or indicator behind the hood in the center. When using the external mic, remember to turn on and off over here. Going through the display, turning off and on the display and icons. On the back of the camera, we have the recording information and camera information, taking a video, zooming in and out, and changing the modes. As we change the modes from camera, we have a normal recording, slow recording, loop recording, time recording, normal, auto, continuous, and time. We have playback, and then back to the regular video recording. We're with the Brigo 64 meg resolution camcorder. We're going to show you what this camcorder is all about. This is a low light shot. Test 1, 2, 3 with an external microphone. EIS not available. We'll pan as close as we can. 16 times zoom. And we'll zoom out. As we test motion, with the spotlight on to the back, gives you an idea of what it looks like when on in low level shot. Remote control, telephoto, zoom, everything that you need to use with the remote is available. We're here showing lights on the tree, greenery, LED. We have the lens hood on, and we are with a test sample. We shot in 5K, 4K, 2.7, 1080p, and 720p of the camera, showing you the video resolution of what it is in stationary low light. We've done a lot of shots in outdoor and indoor, so you get an idea as I walk forward and back with DIS installed. And this is daytime walking with the camera. We can set the camera down and use it in different scenarios. The camcorder, a camera, slow motion, time lapse, and more. So if you're looking for a camcorder, this may be something that you're looking for all your needs. Filming, amateur, beginners to professional, for your camcorder. I hope you enjoy your product, no matter what it is, and thank you for viewing.